Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to hyperlink in Canva. You can easily add hyperlinks to text or elements in Canva, so here is how you do it. First of all, open your Canva application or website and log into your account. Now go ahead and click on the Projects button at the bottom and select one of the designs you would like to add the hyperlink to. After you open up a design, click on the text box to add a hyperlink on. After you select a text box that has been added onto your design, click on the little three dots appearing right above it. Now, in the menu popping up at the bottom, click on Link. Enter a link in the text box. You can type in the URL or your website address you want to link to, and once you are done, the hyperlink will be added on your design just like that. If you download the design as a PDF or use it in a digital format, the link will remain active. This will now allow you to create clickable content directly within your design. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.